Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's session, we'll study some of the words from base series with their diacritical marks, and basically it's an exercise of pronunciation and writing the base series alphabets with their diacritical marks in connected forms. So let's start. I'm going to write a word in front of you. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to put some diacritical marks over these alphabets. Sorry, it's the wrong one. Put it again. Okay, I'm going to put it again. This one, it's called Zabar sign. Okay, it is called Zabar sign. It is also like this one as well. Okay, so this word is called Bab. Bab. It has three alphabets in it. In parentheses, you can see Be, Alif, and Be. But when the long vowel A occurs in the middle or at the end of a word, it is represented by the combination Zabar and Alif. And more often simply Alif, as Zabar tends to be omitted. So this word is pronounced as Bab, Bab, Bab. Try writing it in your spare time. Okay, now study some more words. Be, Alif, Be, Alif, and the word in connected format would be like this one. Okay, I'll put diacritical marks at the end on all these words which I'm going to write right now. Okay, the next word is Ba, Alif, Te, and its connected form is look like this one. Okay, next word would be this one, this one, okay, Pe, this one is Pe, Alif, Pe, Alif. Okay, I'll pronounce all these for you at the end. Just see how they look like when I'm writing them. Okay, and after that it's Be, Noon, and Alif. It comes like this one. Then it's Alif, Madda, Te, and Alif. It looks like this one. Okay, then it's Be, Te, Alif. It's like this one. Alif and Noon. Alif and Noon. Then it's Noon, Alif, Noon. Noon, Alif, and Noon. Okay, and this one is like this. When it is in connected format, then it's known alif, and b would be like this one, sorry, this one. Okay, now I'm going to put the diacritical marks on all these, and I'll also tell you how to pronounce them. A zabar sign is coming over alif. It's look like this one. Okay, and the next bay, again it's a sign of zabar. Okay, sorry, it's a sign of zabar. So the word would be like this one with diacritical marks, zabar. So when zabar is coming over bay, and again it's coming on bay again, so it is pronounced like ba, 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 ba. Okay, ba, ba. The next word is, okay, I'm going to put zabar again on ba, and that's it. It's only on ba. So the word would be bath, bath, bath. Okay, and next word is, it's alif and with mud sign, so it sounds, it is pronounced like ah sound, ah sound. Ab, and bay at the end, so ab, ab, ab. And the next word is with alif and mud sign and pay at the end, so it would be up, up, up. Next word is to put diacritical mark on these alphabets so you will understand it more easily with the help of diacritical marks. Okay, this word is, P has a diacritical marks zabar over it, and again P has zabar as diacritical mark over it, so it would be pronounced like pa, pa, papa, papa. The English word papa and the Urdu word papa are similar. Their meanings are also similar. Means father. Okay, papa, papa. Okay. Next word, it has a diacritical mark under bay, and another one is on noon, like the first one is under bay and the second one is, sorry, would be like yeah, you can say like this one. Okay, it's bina. The word would be pronounced like bina with bay. Bay has a diacritical mark under it. It is pronounced like b sound, b sound. The noon has a diacritical mark over it. It is zabar sign, so the whole word would be bina, bina, bina. The next word is, it has alif and mud sign over it. They has zabar sign over it, so the word would be ata, 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 ata. Okay. Next word is, it's be, te and alif. Be and te has zabar sign over it, so the word would be bata. This one, it looks like this one. Okay, bata, bata, bata. And this word, if we put there under alif, it would be in sound, in pronunciation. Alif and noon, it is called in, and if we put peace sign or alif, it would be un, un, un. Okay, so try practicing with in and un. Okay, the next word is so I'm going to put diacritical marks on these ones. On noon, it's a zabar sign. Okay, and there's only zabar sign in this word. So the word, the alphabets are noon, alif and noon. When we merge all these, the word becomes called nan, nan, nan. Okay, next word, we're going to put a diacritical mark over noon. So noon, alif and pe are the alphabets in this word, and the word would be nap, nap, nap. Okay, that's it for today's session. Try practicing in your free time. Try to write all these alphabets in a separate sheet on a white page, and try pronouncing them as I pronounced in front of you. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. I'll try to respond on time, and if you need further assistance, you can join me in live session. You can check out the link in the description. Thank you very much. Have a good day to all of you. Allah Hafiz till the next lesson.